Today in this video, I want to be talking about something that I've actually been talking about on this channel. If you're one of my subscribers, in the last few weeks, I've been talking about the Nova Scotia Nominee program, okay? So this is actually a fairly new program. And like you know, most of these immigration programs, as soon as they're up, it's always great to take advantage of them as soon as possible before they become overcrowded, you know. A lot of people knowing about them, right? So Nova Scotia is currently experiencing a huge shortage in its job sector, and hence the Nova Scotia Nominee program, where they're trying to bring in a whole chunk of foreign employers or foreign employees rather to bridge this gap in the employment sector. In my previous video, I've mentioned a few jobs that you can avail, because to participate in this program you do need a job offer to be able to participate. Today in this video, it's a continuation of the Nova Scotia Nominee program, but it's going to be narrowed down to the construction job sector, so job around construction. This program is particularly called the critical construction worker pilot. So we're going to see jobs that you can get, because construction is actually one of the huge sector that they're experiencing this shortage, and hence they have this special program for the construction sector. So we're going to see a few jobs in this video. I'm going to show you a few jobs that you can take advantage of to be able to participate in this program. Hello everybody, my name is NJ if you're seeing me for the first time, and thank you so much for watching the video. I recommend you subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so, and one more thing, put on your post notification bell so each time I upload videos here like this, which are very informative, YouTube gets you notified, you can see these videos and you know, act as soon as possible. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for everything you do, likes, shares, comments, every single thing you do to help grow the channel. They're so appreciated. Now I noticed I have a few additional subscribers. You know, this can only be you guys, and I really want to thank you so much. Okay, if you're a new subscriber here, welcome. I know you're here because you intend to travel abroad. My channel promises to bring you legit and first-hand information that would help you actualize these dreams as soon as possible. So welcome aboard. If you're just watching this video for the first time and you're kind of wondering what the Nova Scotia program, you know, and all of the eligibility and all of that, I would recommend you watch my previous video on the Nova Scotia. I would leave the link down below as well in this video so you can actually look at them and, you know, get a better picture of what we're talking about here. Okay, so what I want to do is to show you those specific jobs you can apply for, right? So I actually got some of those jobs on jobbank.gc.ca. okay, like always, I'm going to leave all of these links for you, so really to show you how I get these things. Okay, so if you come in here, there are whole chunks of jobs in different provinces. Okay, so just go to the province. So we're looking for a job in Nova Scotia, remember, because we're looking for construction jobs in Nova Scotia that would enable us, if we have them, to participate in the Nova Scotia Nominee program. So click into Nova Scotia. You can see here we have 49 jobs available here. Okay, so view job postings. Okay, so if you go here now, you can see this specific job postings, and see they are actually arranged in order of when they were applied. So see, this was posted on the 10th of November, this on the 9th, and so forth and so forth. Okay, so if you click into this job, for example, so you can see this construction laborer and helper. It's a verified job. Like I said, it's in Nova Scotia, $15 per hour, and you're required to work for 40 hours per week. So the language here is English, and to start as soon as possible. They're looking for 10 vacancies. Wow. So this actually gives you a high chance of getting this job. Now, the education requirement here is a secondary school certificate or high school certificate. That doesn't mean if you have a degree or master's even and you're happy to apply for this job, welcome to apply for them, right? So experience 1 to less than 7 months. And so like, I'm going to leave all of these. You can read through them. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. And if you qualify for them, please go ahead and apply as soon as possible. Now, show how to apply. How do you apply for this job? Okay, how to apply? Send an email to recruitment@this.com. all right, so let's go back and see all the vacancies available here. Now see, we have construction laborer, carpenter helper, construction laborer, lumberyard helper, floor coverer helper, general construction laborer, concrete finisher helper, construction laborer helper, you know. And so this is how to search for these jobs. So let's go into carpenter helper. Okay, so this is $18 per hour, and up to 28, and can be negotiated perhaps based on your experience and, you know, what you bring to this table. So you don't need no degree, certificate or diploma. So all you need here basically is a high school. Okay, I think they're more really concerned about your experience here. So it's very necessary that you're able to prove that you have the desired and the required experience to to be the best candidate for this job. Okay, so basically most of them really you apply by email. Are you currently legally able to work in Canada? Do you currently reside in proximity to the advertised location? This job posting includes screening questions. Please answer the following questions when applying. So just answer these questions honestly, okay? If you are actually the best candidate for this job, that wouldn't stop them from taking you. So that's how to actually search for these jobs. And if you get any of those jobs, you're able to participate in the Nova Scotia Nominee program. Here is the critical construction worker pilot, okay? So you can see that the critical construction worker pilot job offer is only for people who have a permanent full-time job offer from a Nova Scotia employer. So it's a Nova Scotia nominee program, but this is specifically for people under the construction sector. Okay, so let's see what kind of jobs comes under this sector. Okay, so you see for construction managers, home building and renovation managers, contractors and supervisors, mechanic trades, welders and related machine operators, electricians, industrial electricians, carpenters, bricklayers, heavy duty equipment mechanics, crane operators, concrete finishers, and all of that, right? Like always, this link will be here for you to read through all of this and see if you are one of the people they're looking for here. So, and you can see the job numbers all at the side of them, all attached to this job. So how do you apply? It's actually an online application. So come here and then click on that, okay, and you would it will bring you to this page where you have the Nova Scotia Nominee Program. Then make sure you copy that number beside the job from the first page, and when you come in here, go apply, and then go there and do the rest. It will be your personal stuff, personal information for you to put in there, and then what job you're applying for, and then to show that you are eligible for that job. So when you click in here, you will go doing all of that. Okay, I'd love you to do one thing for me, okay, before we go ahead in this video. Just give the video a like. It's like a thumbs up down there. Thank you so much. So guys, that's everything in this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you found the video valuable, and please remember to share this video with friends and family so people who are eligible for these jobs can be able to apply and take advantage of these opportunities. So put on your post notification bells if you haven't done so, so each time I upload videos like this, YouTube gets and you can act as soon as possible. Until then, like always, I'll see you in my next videos.